take, ship, pain, ship. Good job. Yum. Free, snack, bake, bake. Good job. Yum. Chip, shack, rake, chip. Good job. Yum. Free, rain, trip, rain. Good job. Yum. Hand, stop, 3, 3. Good job. Yum. Rock, flag, sand, rock. Good job. Yum. Start, right, pain, right. Good job. Yum. You did it! You helped me get my sparkle meter fully powered up. You did a great job practicing our letter teams. Now I have enough sparkle power to find my way home. Will you come with me? I made it back to my home. Thanks for all of your help. Let's practice our letter teams one more time. Ready? Ship, hash, fish. Repeat them one more time. Chip, chop, cherry. Repeat them one more time. Rain, pain, train. Repeat them one more time. Three, truth, think. Repeat them one more time. Rock, sock, clock. Repeat them one more time. Right, flight, sight. Repeat them one more time. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more games.